I've got to say, some of these stories coming out of America are somewhat hyped.
Well, there's another story that came out of America last week, and that is the rental company Hertz is selling off 200,000 of its electric cars because customers simply don't want them. Now, my sister lives in America, and she verifies this because they're scared of the range. If you drive a long distance in places like California, Texas, and then you hit traffic and you're in gridlock, they're conking out. People aren't choosing them because of all the aforementioned issues. So the things like range and charge and reliability, they're still nagging consumer issues, aren't they, Edmund?
Yeah, I think for the rental factor, though, there is also a business consideration. And what we saw in America over the last 12 months is that they bought a lot of EVs, particularly a lot of Teslas, and then Tesla cut their prices by more than $4,000 on various models. And